This power bank from Llano not only will power your phone and laptop, but also your camera batteries, all built in. Let's talk about it, because this is dope. Welcome back. My name is Creator from We Shoot Films, where I teach about content creation, Unreal Engine, filmmaking, and also do product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe today. So when Llano reached out to me and asked me would I review this right here, I said yes. Not just because it's a power bank, but it's a power bank that can also serve as to recharge my camera batteries, which I never need enough of, you know what I'm saying? So I thought that was pretty dope. So we're gonna talk about it. All my words are my own, and let's get into it. Now, this is a fast camera, dual battery, portable charger for not only Sony, but I also believe they make it for Nikon, Fuji, and Canon. Now, built in, there's a 12,400 milliamp hour battery. Built in, that's crazy. And two 20-watt USB-C outputs. Now, this power bank offers 58% faster charging than regular portable chargers. I can charge two Sony batteries in just 2.5 hours. And the charger itself, along with the batteries, only takes 4 hours and 20 minutes to fully charge. And one of the greatest things I love about this too, it also has pass-through charging. So that means you can have this charging at the same time charging other things. Love that. They have the smart technology on here so it knows what it's delivering. It has heat protection, short circuit prevention, and overcharge protection, so your batteries are gonna always be safe. All right, so what comes in the box, obviously you got the beautiful power bank. They give you a nice little, bag to put it in, It feels good. Stick it up in there. Okay, keep it nice and protected. And they give you a USB-C cable. Now, that's pretty much all that you're getting inside of here. But the prize is really this, you know what I'm saying? It's really nice. It's made of like this, I don't know, it's like a rubbery plastic, but it's not plastic. I feel more like a hard, I don't know, it feels good. It's got like this rubber feel to it. I'm saying rubber way too long, too many times. But anyway, it feels good and it's not that heavy at all. What you got here on the unit itself, what you got is a button. Now this button activates it. As you see, it's 100%. That's the internal charging. And then on the side of it there, when you put the battery in, which I already have a battery in there, you see that it's showing that it's charging. You see it's going levels. And it will do that on the other side too. I only have one battery in there at the time because I'm using the other one. But if you put both batteries, it's gonna show you the battery charging, how much time is left, and all that good stuff. And if you press this one more time, it will turn off the charging, all right, of the batteries. And then if you hit it again, as you see, it's starting to charge again. So that's all there is really. Then on the side here, you have two 20 watts USB-C input and outputs, all right? They're both in and out, so you can charge them either way it goes. And that's pretty much it. Then on the top here, you open this up and this is where you would place your batteries. So, right on top right here, no problem, goes right in. And that's about it that's on here. It's very simple, very basic, and I like it like that, Nobody wants to be too complicated with these things. It's simple, it's basic, it's travel friendly. And I love it. So that's what that is. Me, myself, I love power banks. I think they're very important, especially when you travel a lot. And usually you don't want to bring all this extra stuff to power your batteries. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like it also the most, is that I got two chargers here. It's going to fully charge two batteries at one time. So while I'm working, this could be charging these two batteries. And then when I'm done, swap it out, put another two batteries on there. Now, if there's not enough internal storage still as far as for the batteries, man, you can, like I said, this has pass through, so you can charge this unit and still go ahead and put more batteries in here and charge those again. So you good either way. You're charging everything up. You're never gonna lose charge. Who doesn't have a USB-C to plug into the wall while you're chilling, and there you go. You know what I mean? A lot of times we buy cameras, they don't come with chargers. This one is it right here for under $100 easily, usually, at least at the time. You can get this right here, you know? So I say it's a great deal. So I love it. All right, so right now it's actually charging my Sony battery. It's at 100%, and I'm gonna charge this. I'm gonna turn on this camera, this light, I mean, at the same time. There you go. This is turned on now, and it's being powered by this. So it's charging my batteries, plus it's doing this. I mean, that's what it's life. And if I wanted to, I'll take another one and charge my phone or my laptop or whatever. Like I said, the side here, these two USB is 20 watts on each side. So that's a great amount of power for this thing. And it's gonna do its thing, man. So, you know, I love this stuff, man, because I'm telling you, power is something that we hate to purchase sometimes, but we all need power. It's important. I mean, you only can say so much, you know what I mean? It's not nothing crazy about this, but again, the fact that it can, you know, charge your batteries and everything else is great. And like I said, it does more than Sony, so make sure it does what you need for your cameras. But I do believe it does Nikon, Canon, Fuji, and Sony. But just make sure, okay, just in case I'm wrong. Other than that, what's the pros on these? The pros for this, it's just a good all-around power bank that does more than just that. You feel me? I think there's value in that this is like a charger. You know, like a charger for your cameras. Rarely do we get chargers for our cameras. You might as well buy one of these. You're gonna get more out of you for your money. You know what I mean? They're great. I haven't had no issue with none of my batteries. It also does third-party batteries. Seem to do those fine so far. As far as my Sonys, I only deal with Sony. But it's been reliable. It's been good. Now they say, what's the difference between this and a regular charger? To me, this is way more worth it because it not only can charge your batteries like another charger can at home, but this is portable. So you can leave with this and still charge your batteries on the go. If you're in a remote location, you don't have to worry about it. You don't need a plug. If this is charged already, you can get at least 2 full charges, 2 batteries out of this charged and not worry about it on the go. So that by itself is worth a lot, you know, trust me. Because when you need to find a plug and you can't, that's all your other chargers do. They're based off the plug, off the wall plug. This is portable. You got it with you no matter what. You got power no matter what. Your batteries are cool. Now, those are the pros on this. What is the con for this if I had to choose one, okay? I would have to say it's the lid, okay? The next time you make this llano, I think you need to make your lid a little more dependable, a little more stronger, so that, you know, the battery itself, you know, can just pop out, all right? But there's nothing holding the battery in. Like when you put your battery in, it still just sticks out, all right? There should be something that'll click, and so it keeps it there, but it doesn't. It just pops out. So there should be something that clicks to lock that in, and then this one has another. There you go. Now, is this gonna mess up? Because this is all that's keeping it in. And all you have is these 2 little things on the outside right here. It's just keeping it in, and if that fails, then you're gonna have an issue. Now, will it fail? I don't think so, but you know, it seems to be fine. It seems to be real sturdy. There's no noise. It's not shaking or rattling inside, nothing. So they seem to be working nice. But what I'm saying is, you know, that worries me a little bit, but not enough not to have it. I think it's still worth having it. And if I had to do a creative critique, I would say a quarter 20 on here would be great. But you know, that's about it. You know what I'm saying? It has a great screen. The screen on it is beautiful. The readout is beautiful. I love the simplicity of it. Some people say it's too big. I don't think it's too big. Yeah, it's the size of a camera almost, but I'm okay with that. Look at what it's doing. So I think that's kind of cool. I think it's kind of smart how they designed this. But other than that, I don't have any problems. I think this is a great product. I think it has value. Again, on the go. You got batteries on the go, extra charging on the go. You're good. So, you know, llano, this was a great product. Thank you for sending it out to me. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll have the link in the description below. Appreciate if you use it. No extra cost to you. It just gives me a little something on the side to support the channel. So thank you if you do that. But other than that, that's about it, y'all. So hopefully this is something that helped you out if you're looking for something like this. That's it. Tell llano I said what's up. Other than that, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.